Got through the wheat field. Coming to a bridge. Can't go under it. Have to walk over it. Got over the bridge. Coming to a tree. Can't go under it. Guess we'll have to climb it. Climb to the top. Do you see a bear? No. Let's climb down. Coming to a river. Can't go under it. Can't fly over it. Let's get in the boat. Got across the river. Coming to a cave. Can't go under it. Can't go over it. Tiptoe inside. It's dark in here. Is anyone around? I see two eyes. And a big furry body. Let's take a picture. Run! It's a bear! Back to the river. Row the boat across. Run to the tree. Climb up. Climb down. Run to the bridge. Cross it. Run through the wheat field. Run down the road. Open up the door, squeak, and close it. We made it. Hey, everybody. Let's go on a bear hunt. Are you afraid?
I'm not afraid.